Y'all be wildin', we ain't bout it. Doing all that talking, but you trap ain't call nobody. We ain't scared of nobody. I'm a boss, don't do no follow when you say.
What's going on, man? I'm back with another video, man. Yes, sir, man. Look. Yep, she's done. It's basically like an update video. She's running. But the thing is with this, I had a lot of stuff I had to do, man. I found out that his valve was broken and all of that on his driver's side head, so I had to wait on that. That kind of put a hold up on the vid. Then when I tried to crank it, the fuel pump was actually bad, so I had to wait on that too. But it's running and everything. I'm just going through it, I'm checking through other stuff, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, hey, before I even thank everybody for tuning in, I had made a reel from my last video when I did the heads, and niggas was really flaming me because the torque sequence, they were trying to tell me like, nah, the LT1 torquing the grin. They were trying to argue me down, talking about some oh, for this motor, hey, I never heard you supposed to degree it. Hey, check this. If y'all trying to say that the niggas that built the motor, which is GM, I called them and they told me the degree and the torque sequence. Most people were saying that for these motors, they don't supposed to be degreed. They just supposed to be like a set foot-pound 75 or some shit. But hey, the motherfucker run it. You feel me? I did it right. So yeah, that way. So yeah, let's get into it. Car definitely running. And no oil is mixing with the water, so yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. I just had a lot of comments talking about some, hey, I don't know what I'm doing and this and that and the third. Man, look, check this. I don't care if your papa, your whoever been fixing car for 50 or 100 or 1,000 or a decade of years, man. If I call GM, I give them this VIN number for this car, and that's what they told me to do. That's what I'm gonna do. So for the people out there that really don't know, call the niggas that made the car, please. You feel me? You might get a 99 Z28. I don't know how far it go back or go up. If these folks tell y'all it's 75 foot-pounds with the VIN number that y'all gave them, go with that. Don't listen to nobody else. You feel me? Like I said, I called Chevy and that's what they gave me and that's what I'm going with. The car running and all that. Yeah, so I had to go on and put that out there for the motherfuckers that trying to, you know what I'm saying? I don't know what I'm doing now. I know what I'm doing because, yeah, I did this car. You feel me? Yep. This is what the channel is more so about, this car right here. Yeah, I still ain't got a chance to do that right there. But yeah, man, car running amazingly. You feel me? So appreciate y'all for tuning in. Please give this video a like, thumbs up, a comment. You gotta share it if y'all want to keep the videos rolling in. The videos. But yeah, man. So, but it's a plug that goes right here for your temp gauge. I don't even know. This right here. So if y'all want to take it to the shop and have them to take the plug out of the head, y'all do that. But I just went ahead and deleted the whole thing that goes in the back. I want to say that's a bypass tube. It goes to this throttle body. So I'm finna check through all of that, man. And one of his fans not working. So what's going on, man? As y'all see, it's a whole nother day, man. I had to drop the top, man. This is an official ride day. She's running really cool, man. So this finna be the legit. I was gonna make this in 2 videos, but I'm gonna just do one. But this is the legit test drive, the official test drive. Like I said, the gauge don't really work. So as y'all see, cause I got to relocate the temp sensor, and I'm already waiting on that. But other than that, you know what I'm saying? She been 197 with the fan on, so we in there. So we finna test drive that bad boy. Oh my gosh, she sound good, she drive good. supposed to be driving this all the way, like 5 or 6 hours away. I ain't gonna say where the man located, but yeah, he's supposed to be driving this like a good little minute. So, and as I'm driving, the temp going down, so we looking amazing, y'all. Like, this is very, very, very successful. You feel me? Oh yeah, she's snatching. She sound amazing. That's the official. She's complete. She's running. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? That thing legit. Yes, sir.
Starving, violent for the come on. Crank it up, it's like boom. It's my new Z28.